See if you can guess the two lessons here before I tell you what they are. I went to the Apple store the other day, and one of the things that I focused on was I can't use my Photoshop on my MacBook Pro or on my Mac Pro. So what I was looking at, I saw some software there that says you can use Windows software right on your Mac. So I asked some people about that there in the store. And after you read the back of the package, and after they explained it to me, and after you saw the fine print, you found out you had to load the entire operating system. So I have XP on my old computer because I haven't used a Windows computer for a while, but I use it for all my Photoshop work. So I was looking for a way to be able to do Photoshop on my Mac Pro in particular. Well, loading all that and having to do all the upgrades and getting back into Windows, oh, that was just so much of a headache. I didn't want to deal with it. So I left without buying their $79 program, which would have helped me interface with it once I had the entire operating system loaded as well. There are two lessons here. The first one is Adobe, that sold me the Photoshop, really says, look, those are two different programs, operating over on the Mac, operating on Windows. We're not going to sell you the upgrade for that. You're going to have to spend about $700 to get our program again. That's ridiculous. So now they get no money from me. Now the people in the Apple store listened to what I asked them. I asked about the program that I could use as part of the interface, but did anybody ever ask what the real question was? What was I really trying to do? Did they have some software that will run on the Mac that will do what I need it to do rather than using Photoshop? So, for you, when can you upgrade somebody and give them the benefit of that as the upgrade, not as something new? And two, listen to what people are really asking you. Don't just answer the question that they've asked. See what is behind the question and answer that, and you'll make some more sales.